All right, a quick update on Carrot here. So Carrot ended up coming all the way back down to the low, as we pointed out last time. If you fell below this box, which was green for support, it came down. It did break the low actually down below that 44, 45 cent area. So not looking the greatest right now. And what I would simply say is, as long as you're above this 44 to 45 cent range, we do have this green box here, which I drew on the chart, which is just representing an area that really needs to hold. If you fall any lower than about 44.9 here, then we do have two targets, which we will simply measure here. And I would also show you, let me just measure this first. So we could drop all the way down about another 13 to 14%. If you take that out, then you are going to end up dropping to our first line here at about a 29% drop down to about 37 pennies there. Now, notice here, if we draw a support line where we are right now, where all of these candles, these daily candles are holding up, you can see that back here was support, and then back here a couple of days of resistance, and then we went right back through it. So you are on some sort of level here. So any lower than you are now at 52 cents, then that's going to put back in play the low once again, and maybe lower, since you did end up with this wick here breaking this previous low back here. It could go lower here, so that's what I'm trying to get across. And for any kind of momentum up, you need to hold here, and you have to get back over this red box here, pretty much 65 cents at the 236 to get any kind of life back for Carrot, for it to go up at all. Now, as for where we are today, how high is Carrot potentially going to go? We've pointed this out in pretty much the last couple, if not all, the updates, that Carrot is very early, low market cap. It is on Coinbase. We are on the Coinbase chart here, very early on in its life here. And at some point, it's going to have a huge move up and potentially all the way to the top of our fib here, which I've been pointing out, which takes you all the way up to the 4236, a very small, in my opinion, $350 million market cap for a project like Carrot here, and takes you up to about $4. And going from where we are today, now you are looking at almost a 700% move here. So that translates into almost an 8x on your investment here to make it up to the top of that fib. So we'll see what happens here. Carrot is a good one, low market cap. We'll do your own research, of course. And like I mentioned, it could go lower than it is now. So with all that being said, none of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.